In every nation, it has its own way of belief, and so do Thai people. There are many beliefs in Thai culture, and dream is one of the beliefs inherited from generation to generation. What have you dreamed of last night? Good or bad? Dream is different for each people. Dreaming is not only ways your mind expresses your thought about any event or things that comes into your life, but also can be used in order to predict your life in the future as well, according to Thai belief. In Thai culture, dream represents what each person longs for, and also being interpreted in predicting or foreseeing each person's life too. In Thailand, there are many kinds of dream prediction. Here, we will show you how people in Chiang Mai think regarding these matters, with example of the interpretation of dreams in Thai belief. Normally, people in almost every area of Thailand believe in what they dreamed of during their sleep. Dreams can be interpreted to many things, from good to bad. From what our group has interviewed many people, it seems like this belief is inherited deep down inside Thai people's mind. Almost everyone that we've interviewed believe that their dream could lead them to or precaution them on something. For instance, we interviewed the worker at the photocopy kiosk and the food sellers in our university. They expressed that thought of believing in what they dreamed and usually interpret what they dream into numbers to play a lottery. This perception is still widely perceived among Thai people in every area of the country. Dream also has an impact on each individual's lives, both directly or indirectly. Thai people normally link what they encounter in their life to their dream as good luck or bad omen. This is also representing the culture in many areas, many parts of Thailand, that the people still believe in the superstitions. Regarding the example of dream interpretation in Thai belief, there are many linkages from dreams to everything happens in our lives. For instance, do you know that cockroach, snakes, blood, and money that you saw in your dreams might have been seen as a precaution or foreseeing of things you might encounter in your life too? If you see a cockroach in your dreams, Thai beliefs interprets that you will have bad things happen in your house. If you dream of snakes, in Thai belief, it means you will find your soulmate soon. On the other hand, if you see blood in your dreams, it can interpret that you will hear news from people who you have not seen for so long. But the interpretation of dreams not need to be the same of each individual mind. People will interpret that they will have good news, they will have a newborn son, or even they will have a good fortune when they see monies in their dreams. For these ideas, many people, both young and old, still believe deeply in dreams prediction. We interview many people, and they are all expressed that they still believe in these type of dreams and willing the dream interpretation to be true also in their real life. In addition, we not only interview people in the society, but we also interview a monk who is the head of temple in Chiang Mai as well, regarding his thought on this belief. The monk gave us very interesting point that dream is what you might want, see, or even make it. It might be real or it might not be. So, we should live our life in reality, not in our dreams. So, after all these stories, do you believe in dream interpretation, or you have your own belief on dreams too? Thank you very much and good night.